In this video, I am going to show you how to combine multiple PDF files into one PDF file by using your iPhone. Okay, first open your Files app, then open the file. For me, it's on my iPhone. Yeah. For example, I want to combine these three PDFs into one file. So what you have to do means, first arrange the PDF in which order you want. For example, if I want this third PDF into page number 1 means, just long press that and tap rename and let's say 1. Click done. Likewise, you can arrange the PDF. For example, I want this as page number 2 means, long press that, rename and tap 2, done. Then it's 3. Okay. After you arrange the PDF, click these 3 dots and tap select and select the PDFs. Then click these bottom 3 dots and you can see this option create PDF. Just click that. That's it. Now you will see a new PDF 1-2. Just open that. Yeah, it is. Now it's created. This is how you can combine multiple PDF files into one PDF file by using iPhone. I hope this video helps you. If it really helps, means leave a like and share this video with your friends and neighbors. Thanks for watching.